Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So, something new today. Hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog. Today we are starting to build the access for the driveways to go into the yard and all of that. We're using the, what do you call that one? I know, a skid truck. Skid truck. What do you call that one? You just use block and put sand around it, like polymeric sand, but we not use polymeric sand, so you can drive on the block. I don't remember what they call that one, but as soon as I remember, I couldn't know. So the guys in there, you ready with that, and I'm just gonna see what going on. As we say, somebody is sub-constructed to do that, so just gonna watch them and deal with just see what going on basically. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Let's go. Shot boss. Yeah, do you ready? Yes. I want to go into that space, sir. In space. Oh, concrete. So you kind of wall? Yeah. I'm on the end. I'm on the end. Oh. Curb already dropped, so you can come in. So this is how them cut the driveway if we put the stone them in it. Come on, go on do your thing, man. Yes. So them script from up there, so come down, clean out in there, put the sand them down there, then put the block them on it, then put the sand in between the blocks them, then cast the side, so it don't move. Just like something similar to paver. Yeah. So then go and work it, man. And him I go do for other units them. And everybody are going to get access, nice good access. And then as we say, I'm back, we're going to come and do some grading of the lots and clean up the place a little bit. So as I say, work is still here to be done, and it's just a work in progress. So tomorrow again, before I pick up the camera here, I'm on my way home now. Made that hurt me. This morning I had some drawings to do with me. Did I finish up, so I spend I go and do that, and a few other things me have to catch up on. I spend my morning and do it, and then I went out and had a look at how the guys were doing in terms of the installation of the access. Man, them I do them off the door. We normally work with the country, and I first work with them. I don't know if you guys are here when we used to work in Chilani, where we put in something similar to that, some longer ones, because the house ended further back in the yard. And yeah, I went well with up here, so we have to knock down some curb wall, because for some strange reason they not put the access point where it's supposed to be. They go up in the yard, it kind of there in between some of the boundaries, and that caused a little bit of complication. I don't know how they made a mistake there, but it happened. So we have to dig down back some of the curb them and kind of reposition the access. Driveway we are working with, access we are working with, and the commands of this vlog. This vlog is the access vlog, so probably can go into some inspiration for the phone or access at home. You know, a DIY, do it yourself, yeah, DIY, some DIY stuff. So yeah, Team Ismash. let's continue with the vlog. Fast forward into a new day. Excellent. Yeah, let's go ahead.
Let's push in, you know.
Bongs me. Man, watch it, no man. Yeah. How far again? Think of football. So what is the plan? We need to get this, you know that. Oh, I'm sure I will.
Then too much don't get paid. If I'm gonna be buying.
Yeah, mate, nice and easy. Go back with the boom a little bit. Go up with the boom a little bit. You can go up with the boom a little bit more. Go up with him a little bit. Go up. Cement delivery on site. Morning again, team Ismash. So today is a new day. On today's episode of Vlogging with Ismash, we're moving off container and we are continuing installing the driveways. So a flatbed supposed to come right now, and the backhoe supposed to assist the flatbed with moving the container, and we are packed something in our container as well to ship it off. So stay tuned as we remove the container off the site and continue with our driveway. Let's get it, team Ismash. So I believe these boards right here, so some form of leveling, profiling to ensure say all I block them upon the same level, I believe. And as you can see them run right against it down there, so I suspect that. Then I sand this one as yet. Just on the bottom, like base rock, base stone, base sand, some form of hardcore, so it can support this and can have drainage underneath it. Another one. Another one. As you can see, them man not play, brother. Man, them not play. I have a couple others in about 2 days. Then do half of the birdie, which is good. So then they're over here, so we'll go across. See a black truck there as well. So guys, we have the last ton of steel going in, and this is a 12mm rebar, and one on this side, one in the middle, and one on the outside. For balance it to go on the flatbed that is, I don't know if you guys hear, but to balance it to go on the flatbed that is outside.
I never even got to say goodbye.
Guys, tell me if this is appropriate. What you guys think about this? I think so right there's gonna be a pivot point and that'll give them hell around there. So and most of the load, somewhat amount of good amount of load they hang off a truck. So it kinda look at thing the car we make it back swing when we find it. Ah, yeah, always sent over the diff for the back. But what you guys think? Is it safe? Them say them experience, so and then do what them have to do. Everyone had like 10 fire set. Boy. So we have come to the end of the vlog here, team. I smashed this vlog. It's a rather short one, but supposed to spicy, supposed to juicy. I know you guys prefer the longer vlogs, but that one here, I end the one here short. So stay tuned for my next vlog. We give out some quotes. So first I watch to see what go on if them rolling. So them that like smaller projects. So small one. I kinda like the small projects them. They're nice, trust me. They're nice, they're just quick and nice and fast and you know, I kinda like it short up. A longer one them now. Oh, headache, brother, headache. So team Ismash, as I said, if you guys are interested in, you know, getting something done, you know, anywhere you're in Jamaica, it depends on the size project with that foot. Understand? So you guys can always link me and say yo. You guys can always link me and say yo, Ismash come match this up for me. And put it up, we discuss how things are gonna go and we just get it done. I'm gonna film it of course. And I'm gonna start film them as of now on. And just share it with the YouTube. As I said, I keep it discreet, I'm not talk about no own, I'm not talk about no location, I'm not talk about nothing. We just do and get out of there. Anyways, team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. Stay tuned for my next vlog. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do as yet, but there's always something going on site. It's always. So team Ismash, subscribe if you're new. Notification bell, you already know. I'm out.